Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A54. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you need to choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung smartphone and receive Next to Send at the bottom of Samsung Galaxy A54. Also on 54, scroll all the way down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung smartphone. On it, tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them click on those type of dots. This way you will choose all your files from this category and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen files, and wherever you wish to do, go on by choosing Send next to selected. In this Here's Some Tip pop-up, you need to select Got it and select the best connection way for you. Key on QR code. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located next to Input key on A54. Allow camera access by choosing While using or Only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key instead, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers. Then hit Receive. As you can see after that, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!